This is the Unity Hybrid Badge Pin Holder, and it's used for wearing a badge on your upper chest if that's what you prefer. Installing it is very quick and easy. All we have to do is open the front plate pocket, and we're going to insert the badge pin holder into the laser cuts opening and then back into the other one. We're going to open the top layer of your shoulder strap. We're going to remove the second layer of your shoulder strap, pull the badge pin holder snug, and secure it to the lower Velcro. You're going to re-secure the middle strap and re-secure the outer strap. Finally, you're going to close your front plate pocket, which will leave you with an array of holes. You're going to want to make sure that you follow the line. There are two lines. One will follow the angle of the shoulder strap, and the other will be vertical. That's purely a cosmetic choice. And if you install this on the other side, you'll have the same thing there as well. This is the Unity Hybrid Badge Pin Holder, and it does its job beautifully.